Hello viewers, wearing mask is mandatory nowadays. COVID-19 is not the only reason. Air pollution is another vital reason. Hope you are in good health. Due to seasonal change and after loads of festival, इंडिया की different cities में specifically North India में pollution level इतने increase करते हैं कि we feel we are living in a gas chamber, isn't it? Air pollution is one of the biggest threat to human beings and human worsening environment knowingly or unknowingly. Now it's our duty to work collectively towards building a better and cleaner world for our future generation by following the concept of sustainable development. Let's see हम क्या कर सकते हैं as a responsible citizen for a cleaner and suitable world for the coming generation. Basically, try to conserve energy as much as possible. At home, at work, everywhere. Expand your green world by growing more plants and gift plants to your friends and family. Timely do servicing of petrol and diesel car and other engines. Try to move towards electric car. Without bursting crackers, anyone can enjoy the occasion or festivals. Use electric grill instead of coal for barbecue, जो winter season में popular है. Kitchen should be well ventilated. Minimize air freshener use. As we know, the government is doing their work to reduce pollution by introducing CNG buses, metro, e-vehicle, etc. Taking these simple precautions, we can also help boost air quality in our surrounding and improve health conditions. As both sides of the coin, different inventions and technologies made our life much easier and faster. And we cannot imagine surviving without these technologies. Taking care of the environment is the duty of every person. I promise I will do. What about you? Take care. Bye bye.